No woman no cry. No woman no cry. No woman no cry. No woman no cry. Cause I remember when we used to sit in a government yard in Boys Town, observing those hypocrites mingle with the good people we met, good friends we knew, or good friends we lost along the way. In this great future, we can't forget the past, so dry your tears, I said.